To make this integration I am using Bit Integration plugin. So let's go to my Bit Integration dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Paid Membership Pro. Select a form. Select membership. Next. Search and select actions. DirectIQ. Give here the client ID and client secret key. So please visit DirectIQ API token. Copy the client ID and client secret key. Paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to Paid Membership Pro dashboard. Go to Membership page. Choose a membership level. Select. Submit and check out. Membership confirmation successfully. Now go to DirectIQ and you can see the data came successfully in DirectIQ. Thanks for watching this video.